Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a background picture to your Google Sites step by step. Whether you want to make your site more visually appealing or give it a professional touch, this guide will cover everything you need to know for 2025. First, log into your Google Sites account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside, navigate to the page where you want to add the background image. On the right-hand menu, you'll see the background section. Click on it and you'll get a few options. Choose an image from Google's library, upload your own picture, or use a URL link. If you're uploading your own picture, make sure it's high quality and optimized for web use so it doesn't slow down your site. Once the image is uploaded, you can adjust its placement and scaling. Google Sites allows you to select between original, fill, or fit to make sure your background looks perfect on any device. For those who want more control, you can also add overlays or color filters on top of your background to enhance readability for text or buttons. Simply click on Change and explore the options until your page looks exactly the way you want. Finally, preview your site to make sure the background image looks great on both desktop and mobile. Once satisfied, click Publish, and your site is ready to impress visitors with a visually stunning background. And that's it. Adding a background picture in Google Sites is quick, easy, and can completely transform your website's appearance. Don't forget to experiment with different images and settings to make your site uniquely yours. Thanks for watching and happy site building.